Hello and welcome to Innovations in VR for Medical Education. I'm Temesgen Endalew and I will be your instructor for this course. I am truly excited to embark on this journey with you as we explore how immersive technologies are reshaping the future of healthcare education. Outside of my professional life, I enjoy playing table tennis, taking long walks, and enjoying Ethiopia's rich culinary traditions. Shirowat and yebek with injera are some of my favorite dishes, especially when paired with a strong cup of Ethiopian coffee. Now, professionally, I'm a medical doctor based in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, with a multidisciplinary background that spans medicine, business, digital health, and e-learning. I also hold a master's degree in health professions education, and I am a certified project management professional. Over the years, I've developed and implemented digital health platforms and e-learning courses for various institutions, often working remotely to serve diverse learners. My current passion lies in the intersection of immersive technology and healthcare education. I believe virtual reality can revolutionize procedural training and clinical skills development, making high-quality training accessible regardless of geography or scheduling barriers. As the field moves closer to metaverse-enabled learning environments, now is the time for educators like us to lead that shift. This course is structured into weekly modules blending foundational theory, real-world examples, and hands-on VR tools, including platforms like CDC's OneLab VR and others. Through discussion forums, simulations, and peer collaboration, you will gain the skills to design and deliver impactful VR-based medical education. Please don't hesitate to reach out via email or WhatsApp if you have any questions or ideas to share. I'm here to support you, and I'm genuinely looking forward to learning alongside you. Let's build the future of medical training together.